Hello! In this video we are going to check out 5 best Italian espresso machine brands. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for an hour. We ranked the products based on their quality, specifications, and all other important facts. We've tried to select them from various price ranges, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. And finally, the item number 5 in our list is Longhi Ecam 35075C Dinamica. Product details. Brand, Longhi. Color, silver. Product dimensions, 9.3 x 16.9 WX 13. 7 inches high. Special feature, programmable. Coffee maker type, espresso machine. Filter type, reusable. Style, Dinamica. Operation mode, fully automatic. Voltage, 120. Model name, Dinamica with latte crema. Item weight, 23.2 pounds. Manufacturer, Longhi. The item number 4 is Gaggia RI 9380-46 Classic Evo Pro. Product details. Brand, Gaggia. Product dimensions, 8x 9.5 WX 14. 2 inches high. Special feature, commercial components, made in Italy. Coffee maker type, espresso machine. Filter type, reusable. Style, classic, modern. Operation mode, semi-automatic. Voltage, 120. Model name, Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Item weight, 18.7 pounds. Manufacturer, Gaggia. As the item number 3 we've selected, L'Or Barista Single Serve Coffee and Espresso Machine. Product details. Brand, L'Or. Color, black. Coffee maker type, espresso machine. Filter type, reusable. Style, French. Operation mode, fully automatic. Voltage, 120 volts. Model name, Barista. Item weight, 11.02 pounds. Manufacturer, Philips. Country of origin, Romania. The item number 2 is Longhi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. Product details. Brand, Longhi. Model name, Stilosa. Color, black and stainless. Product dimensions, 8.07 DX 13.5 WX 11. 22 inches high. Special feature, milk frother. Coffee maker type, espresso machine. Filter type, reusable. Style, espresso machine. Specific uses for product, espresso. Operation mode, manual. Voltage, 120. Unit count, 1.0 count. Item weight, 9.48 pounds. Manufacturer, Longhi. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Violetti Mocha Espress. Product details. Brand, Violetti color, aluminum silver. Product dimensions, 4DX4WX9H. Special feature, portable, removable tank. Coffee maker type, mocha pot. Filter type, reusable. Style, classic. Specific uses for product, coffee maker. Operation mode, manual. Model name, Mocha Express. Unit count, 6.00 count. Item weight, 1.54 pounds. Manufacturer, Violetti.